Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve mouse not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer guys. Make sure you watched the full video. You will get fixed guys. You just need to press in keyboard start button and press or same time start plus or opens up run. You just need to type in run guys. dev dev mg mtm mt dot msc dev mg mt dot msc. You just need to press enter in your keyboard. Opens up device manager. Using the tab key, pressing the tab, using the tab key you just need to using the tab key we just selected the option in here guys. Using down arrow key I am just going to mice and other pointing devices. Click you just need to press right arrow key in your keyboard and you just need to select all these mics and uninstall guys. For that press enter and select tab and select the drivers tab and select the using the tab option. I just selected the driver tab. Using the tab key again, using the tab key I am going to uninstall device. I am using the tab key and press uninstall device. Click yes to press enter guys, press enter, and here we uninstalled the driver guys. So don't be panic for uninstalling it guys. So this will definitely reinstall for you guys when you restart your PC. The same thing you just want to do it for these two drivers. After doing it, you just need to expand the mice and other pointing devices and you just need to select all these down section to delete it guys. Every drivers just want to delete it. After deleting it, press in keyboard alt plus F4. Opens up shutdown. Alt press F4, click on it, press alt F4 and opens up shutdown option. You just need to select the down arrow key to select restart, and after restarting your PC the mouse drivers will be installed again guys, and definitely you will get resolved guys. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.